Well, here it is, America. This is my beat. I patrol the entire 69th quadrant, which is usually split up between our district and District 5. As you can tell, the streets are pretty quiet, but things can get quite unpredictable at times. I got my promotion because of my track record. Needless to say, pretty good at what I do. You're gonna want to pay attention. This is the shit you want to see. Oh, but you can go ahead and cut out that shit part. Dispatch, this is Officer Worthy responding to the code 105. I am 2 blocks away. Repeat, 2 blocks away. I will respond unassisted. All units stand down. Woo! Ha ha! This is it. Now you're gonna see why I got my promotion. Especially have to be careful with these code 105s. Some of these people love their pets more than their kids. Can't say I blame them. Watch yourself there. Be careful around some of these places. I got here as quick as I could. I got the call. Back up!
You can stay here if you want. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. Get this fucking thing out of my face.
I'm not going into that, motherfucker.